Jazz Hands Loropetalum, a striking addition to your landscape. As a homeowner with a passion for creating a vibrant outdoor space, I'm always on the lookout for unique and low-maintenance plants. That's how I stumbled upon the Jazz Hands Loropetalum, and let me tell you, it hasn't disappointed. This beauty offers a captivating combination of colorful foliage and delicate blooms, making it a true standout in my garden. Eye-catching foliage takes center stage. The first thing that grabs your attention with the Jazz Hands Loropetalum is its foliage. Unlike its green counterparts, this variety boasts a mesmerizing display of colors. New growth emerges splashed with a playful mix of pink and white variegation, adding a touch of whimsy to the landscape. As the leaves mature, they transform into a rich, deep purple, creating a dramatic contrast that never fails to impress. This vibrant foliage retention throughout the seasons makes the Jazz Hands Loropetalum a true asset. It provides a pop of color even in the colder months when other plants have faded away. Cheerful blooms for added charm. The Jazz Hands Loropetalum isn't all about the leaves, though. Come spring, it explodes with delicate, rosy pink flowers that resemble slender, fringed ribbons. These blooms add a touch of elegance and softness to the already captivating foliage. While the flowers may not be the showstopper, they perfectly complement the vibrant leaves, creating a truly harmonious visual experience. How fast does Jazz Hands Loropetalum grow? If you're looking for a plant that fills out your garden space quickly, the Jazz Hands Loropetalum is a good option. It's considered a fast grower, reaching its mature size of 4 to 6 feet tall and wide within a few years. This makes it ideal for creating hedges, borders, or adding a touch of height and color to foundation plantings. Is Jazz Hands Loropetalum chinense hardy in NJ? Now, the big question for many gardeners, especially those in colder climates like New Jersey, can the Jazz Hands Loropetalum survive the winter? The good news is that this variety is generally considered hardy in zones 7B, 9, which includes most of New Jersey. However, for areas that experience particularly harsh winters with extended periods of freezing temperatures, it's best to provide some winter protection. Mulching around the base of the plant with a few inches of organic material, like shredded bark or leaves, can help insulate the roots and protect them from the cold. How to plant and care for Jazz Hands Loropetalum. Planting your Jazz Hands Loropetalum is a breeze. It thrives in well-draining, acidic soil and prefers a location with full sun to partial shade. Once established, it's a relatively low-maintenance plant. Regular watering, especially during the first year, is crucial. However, once mature, it's quite drought-tolerant. A light application of fertilizer in the spring can also encourage healthy growth and vibrant foliage. Pairing up for a stunning display. The Jazz Hands Loropetalum's versatility makes it a perfect addition to various garden designs. Here are a few ideas for pairing it with other plants. Create a colorful contrast. Plant your Jazz Hands Loropetalum alongside golden yellow shrubs like Spirea japonica, goldflame, or blue flowering perennials like Salvia nemorosa for a striking color combination. Go for a harmonious flow. Opt for plants with complementary foliage colors like burgundy heuchera or silvery Artemisia pois castle. This will create a cohesive and elegant look in your garden. Add texture and dimension. Mix in plants with contrasting textures, such as ornamental grasses like Calamagrostis acutiflora Karl Forster, or ferns like Adiantum pedatum. This will add depth and visual interest to your planting scheme. How to propagate Jazz Hands Loropetalum. If you want to expand your Jazz Hands Loropetalum collection, you can easily propagate it from stem cuttings. Take cuttings in late spring or early summer, selecting healthy, non-flowering stems with a few nodes. After treating the cut ends with rooting hormone, plant them in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide indirect sunlight. With proper care, your cuttings should root within a few weeks and be ready to transplant into your garden the following spring. By incorporating the Jazz Hands Loropetalum into your landscape, you'll be adding a touch of unique charm and vibrant color that's sure to turn heads. Its low-maintenance nature and fast growth rate make it a perfect choice for busy gardeners like myself. So, if you're looking for a plant that offers year-round beauty and effortless elegance, give the Jazz Hands Loropetalum a try.